My name is Raymond Harley. I'm a project manager with Total Roofing and Construction. I've been here for a little under a year now, just hitting my 1 year mark this month. Yeah, well, a general day in the life of my job typically starts out by starting a job. We're showing up at the job site, making sure all the material is showing up, making sure the dumpster shows up, making sure everybody's good to go, walking through the job with the foreman, making sure everybody's on the same page while the job starts. Typically after that comes with a lot of appointments during the day, a lot of follow-ups, pretty much driving, answering the phone, anything to keep the customers that I'm working with happy. My favorite part about working at TRC is just the overall dynamic that we have over here as a whole unit. From management down to production, down to our craftsmen, such a unique environment that we've built here at this team that makes us so productive and it makes it so easy to work with everyone. I think that's, just kind of hard to find nowadays, finding a good environment. We want each other to succeed and we want to succeed as a team as a whole. I think something that has me really excited about the future of TRC is the reputation that we've been building the past couple years with our homeowners, with all of our past clients. It just really comes to show what quality craftsmanship can do. And that reputation goes a long way. We've been expanding and we're hoping to do more, and that's something that I'm really excited for. My biggest work achievement with the past year that I've been with TRC is I've yet to have an unhappy homeowner with the end of our experience. I think it's very important that you include them with the whole process, showing up to everything, making sure that they are aware with everything that you are doing, and answering the phone every single time they call. That will always result in the best customer service that you can have. So I take big pride in that. Something I love to do outside of work, I've pretty much been doing it my whole life. As I've gotten older, I've just been doing it more, is I love to fish. Love to go on fishing trips with my father. Love to go on fishing trips with my friends. It's just a nice thing to, pass the time. Something unique about myself. I guess most people that aren't close to me probably wouldn't know that for the last 4 years, I've actually been the photo promo stand-in for Jeremy Allen White for the show The Bear. So if you're from Chicago, you may have seen the show. It's been pretty cool. I've gotten to meet him, meet the cast. It's just one year, we get all the pictures taken. It's just a blast. Any closing thoughts? My closing thoughts would be, if you ever need any work done on your home exterior-wise, and you're looking for quality work and owned by a family company, call Total Roofing. We'll get the job done for you. We'll take care of you. We'll get you to fall in love with your home again.